Hey guys, welcome to Drupal Learn. Today we're gonna see how to add CSS and JS to a theme on Drupal 8. So let's get started. Let's log in. And let's check for the theme first. We are using a custom theme named Learn, which is a sub-theme of Bootstrap. Let's go back to the site. Choose any of the content pages. Now let's go to the theme folder, themes, custom. Learn is our custom theme. So in order to add CSS and JS to a custom theme, we need a library file. We already have one, which is learn.libraries.yml. This is a theme library file. So let's go ahead and open it. There's nothing in here. So in order to add the library, first we have to give it a name. Let's just say this is a custom library, and this is CSS, and we use it to theme. Then we will choose the CSS file name, css/style.css. Now in order to add a JS, let's go ahead, JS folder and style.js. Let's go ahead and save this. Now we have added our library, which is custom. Now we need to make sure that it is added to the info.yml so that the library is reflected throughout the site. In order to do so, we just have to add libraries, theme name, which is learn here, slash our library, which is custom. Let's go ahead, save this. Now after adding this, we need to make sure we have the CSS and JS file created, which we haven't yet. So we go ahead and create the CSS folder and the JS folder as well. And we need to create the file. Let's copy the YAML and put it inside CSS. Just rename this style.css. We'll keep CSS. Let's go to JS, paste the same file, rename this style.js, keep JS. Now let's go back to the site and flush the cache. We need to make sure we flush the cache every time when we make an entry to the info files and the library files, so that those new changes are picked up. Now let's go ahead and inspect the page source. We can reload this and we can start looking for our style.css file. As you can see, our style.css file is loaded. We can open this, but it will be empty. Now we copy the YAML file, so it's the code same as there, and we need to make sure our JS file is loaded as well. Yeah, it is loaded, and this will have the same library file contents. We'll just open this and empty this. We don't need this. We'll open the CSS file. We can also empty this. We don't need this. We can come back to this. Yeah, So it's the right file that is being loaded. Now we can go ahead and add some custom CSS to make sure like our changes are being reflected. Let's inspect the page. We can pick some ID from this page, proper one, perhaps from the body. Yeah, we can choose the page node type page so that it will affect only the nodes of type basic page. We can, let's just say, add a background color perhaps. Let's just say some kind of gray. Let's go back to the site. Yeah, you can see it is affecting the entire page. That's too bad, but yeah, I can make sure that our CSS is being loaded. Now let's get rid of this. Come to the page. Yeah. Thanks for watching the video, guys.